Here's how to free up storage on your Switch 2. Now the first thing we want to do is come down to system options down here on the menu bar. Just go all the way down to system settings over here, press on it, and then you want to scroll down on the left side until you find data management, just right here. Go ahead and press on it. Now in here we'll see how much space we have on our system as well as how much space we have on our microSD card if you have one installed. Now what you want to do in here is first head over to where it says manage software. In here you'll be able to see how much space each game is taking, and if you have any game that you don't play anymore or any game that you feel like you have to delete because it takes up so much space, just go ahead and select it and press where it says delete software, and then you'll be able to delete that game. If you select keep home menu icon, it's going to keep the icon of the game in your home menu in case you want to reinstall it in the future. It'll also tell you how much space that game is going to free up. So as you can see, Fortnite is taking up a lot of my memory right here. Now another option that we have in here is coming back to data management right here, scrolling down on the right side and going over to where it says delete save data, and in here we will be able to delete the save data from games. So for example, Minecraft is taking up half a gigabyte in here. If you want to delete the save data from a game, just go ahead and press on it. You have the option to delete the data for certain users. So if you have a user that doesn't play on your Switch anymore or an account that you don't use anymore, you could delete the data for that account specifically. Or if you want to delete the data for your user, you could press it in there. Or if you want to delete the whole data for that game, you could delete it from here. Of course, that doesn't delete it from the cloud. It only deletes it from your saved system and not the cloud, okay? Now, another option that you have in here is going down to screenshots and videos. And just like you might imagine, you'll be able to delete your videos and screenshots that you have on your system. In here, all you have to do is select if you want to delete from the microSD card or from your system. Let's say that you're going to do system, just go ahead and press on it. And in here, you want to press delete all screenshots and videos in system memory, and that'll clear up your screenshots and videos from your memory. I don't have a lot of them, but if you have multiple, it will delete it and free up space. Now, after you have deleted anything, either data, a game, or whatever you deleted, what I'm recommending is going down to where it says system over here on the left side on system settings, pressing in there, then go all the way down on the right side, all the way to the end, and press where it says data clear options. And in here, you want to go ahead and press where it says clear cache. That is going to get rid of whatever was left over after you deleted a game. So just select your main account in here or an account where you deleted data from, and that'll clear the cache. And this one is going to free up some space as well. Now, lastly, what you could do is also delete a user. Let's say that you have a user that you don't use anymore. Just head over to users under system settings, select the user that you want to delete, and then just delete that user from your system, and that'll free up a little bit extra space. But there you guys have it, how to free up space on the Switch 2. If this video helped you out, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.